Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add a sound effects to your videos in CapCut. Perfect for making your edits more fun and engaging. Let's get started. First, open a CapCut app and load your project or tap a new project to start fresh. And once your video is on the timeline, scroll through the bottom menu and tap on audio. Then tap sounds and then go to the effects tab. Browse through different categories like laughter, transitions, nature sounds, and more. Then tap the play icon to preview and tap the plus button to add it to your timeline. Then drag or trim the sound effects to perfectly match your video timing. You can also even adjust the volume or duplicate it if needed. And that's how easy it is to add sound effects in CapCut. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching!